Watch these red LEDs as they move up and down the strip light. I control them using this knob. As I turn the knob, the angle gets picked up and sent wirelessly to another microcontroller, an ESP32, which slides the LEDs to match the angle. Here is what's inside the knob, a small magnet, but a special kind, where north and south aren't stacked. They are split side by side. Below it sits a tiny chip, the MT6701. It tracks the direction of the magnetic field. As the magnet spins, the field direction spins with it. And from that, the chip works out the exact angle. It converts that into a number and sends it to the ESP32 controlling the light.